for it. You want to use
Daniel's
code? It's tiny15.
Don't show it!
What do you mean there's nothing to show? That thing doesn't even mean to know. What do you want?
Back to the Evo wrap. Johnny and I spent the last hour getting everything ready. He's doing the inlays on the door jambs right now. I'll show you that. Using knifeless tape. Ooh, look at that. Show him how pretty that cut is. Look at that. Very cool. All right, so one thing I wanted to talk about real quick, being a white car, there's a lot of things you have to do, a lot of parts, additional parts you gotta take off in order to cover up the white. In this case, typically we'll take off the fenders. With the Evo, it's very, very easy just to pull two bolts here and get that gap there so we can actually feed the vinyl all the way down into about this area. So once the fender goes back together, all that white's gone. It just looks really clean.
Hey, can you just remember to save that footage this time? Thank you.
Oh. So I talked about this earlier right here. God dang it, there it is, it's focused now. So the goal is to get this pulled back a little bit. That's why we relieve the bolts there, to get this material tucked all the way back there. So if you see I got extra material down there, I'm gonna heat it, lay it in real nice, get it all rounded, put this back in place. And what that's gonna do is once the car is fully reassembled, you're not gonna see any white right here in this area, which is super important. When you're doing a white car, the last thing you wanna do is have this nice, beautiful storm gray and then a white line right there. That happens a lot, we see it a lot. So this is how we get around it. Sometimes we take the fenders off, sometimes we don't. With the Evos, we don't have to. So we're able to relieve the two bolts, pull it a little bit, and get it done. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in just a second. This is a new color for us. It's called Storm Gray. It comes from 3M. Looks really dope. It's kind of similar to this like battleship gray that we did in Avery. I think 3M also has it too, but it's like a darker Audi Nardo gray look, which is out there now. We just had a Subaru pull up that's wrapped in it. So I want to show you the comparison between the two colors. The one that we're doing on the Evo is a little lighter. So to kind of give you like a color contrast difference. There's the white, stock white. There's the gray. And I'm gonna take you out there, I'm gonna show you a little darker version of it. Here's the darker version of that gray, which this is also really cool. Dude, that's crazy. Show me what color it was.
All right. Red
Yep.
STI.
Yep. See, these guys did a good job. I don't know who wrapped it, or actually Wrap Lab.
Yeah.
You know them? I don't know who they are, but they did a really good job. This car was red before. How long has the car been wrapped, do you know? Yeah, it looks, I mean, it's a good wrap, but you can tell it has age on it. And I kind of want to show people like what an older wrap starts to look like, because the quality of the wrap's really good, but what I've seen happen in these films is they start to deteriorate, and this is what they'll look like. A lot of the spots that are getting hit by sun, starting to burn out a little bit. And some of this is partially probably due to care. If you take care of it a little bit better, you could have avoided that a little bit. You know, you will see wear over time. So on there, anything that's facing the sun, I usually see it on the roof, maybe a little bit on the wing here. The reason why I like to point that out is because I want you guys to know that wraps are not permanent. A lot of people assume, hey, I'm gonna get my car wrapped, it's gonna last forever. It's not gonna be on there forever. You get 2 to 3 years if you take care of it properly. It also depends on the climate that you're in, cold, hot, all that affects the actual wrap itself. All in all, a wrap is supposed to be a temporary solution to change the color of your car and then just make it easy to go back to stock. This can go back to red. If Daniel wants to switch it back to red, it can go back to red. All right, so Mitch has been working on this while Johnny and I were wrapping the other car. So I'll go over, I'll show you what he did, because I know a lot of you guys asked, like, you know, what were you guys doing to that car? So I believe this is a new Chevy Cruze. What we did is we did a custom eyelid for it. So the customer wanted to change up the headlight. So here's what Mitchie did. That big black piece right there, that's what he did. Put a window banner on it, premium windshield banner. If you guys want a banner, go to the website, premiumautostyling.com. Use discount code SAVE15. I want to hook you guys up. He did the taillights, smoked the taillights out. So right now is a good example of what it looks like. You can see the brake light, you can see the reverse light, but it just has a nice smoked film on it. So great job, Mitchie. I know this guy drove all the way out from Las Vegas, which is about a 3-hour drive. He even showed up a night early, stayed in a hotel just to get the work done here at Premium. I tell you guys, this is crazy. Really, really cool. Thankful for that, because we get a lot of that happening now. People will take, you know, travels from all different places to come over here, hang out, get some work done, buy t-shirts, whatever it is. We're super thankful for that. I mean, it's crazy to me because just a year ago, small shop in Riverside, and we still are a small shop in Riverside, but it just happened to have this audience that wants to come over and hang out with us and meet us and get work work done. So thank you guys so much. We're gonna get back in there. Johnnee and I are gonna continue working on the Evo in there, try to knock most of it out today and show you guys the whole process. Prepare it.
Don't look at it. I want to look at it first.
Yes. Drop the camera. Look at, dude, it won't even focus now.
Yes. I see you smiling.
Nothing. We're actually gonna use this footage. You guys are gonna lose this one too.
Got a little something for you.
This one for me?
Yeah. You ready?
For me?
It's not a prank. It's not.
Cause it's weird just to reach inside there like.
Go ahead, just go ahead.
That's hilarious. Yo, we gotta do a giveaway on the channel for this. Cause there's some people that comment this. So I'm gonna ask Daniel how we're gonna do it. But that's dope. I appreciate you, Christian.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Right there. I'm gonna put this on my laptop and we're gonna do a giveaway on my channel and on Premium channel because everyone comments that and they actually came from the Premium channel's comments. So whoever wants this, ask Daniel how to get it.
What are we doing, Mitch?
We are throwing the last thing on the Evo, which is the banner. We normally do this with every one of our customers' cars when we do the full wrap. Just kind of set the car apart, give it a little something different.
Tell me that doesn't make the car look better.
It looks better.
That makes the car look better.
It looks better.
That's a hot
Dude,
logo.
everyone should have one of these. Where can they get them, Daniel?
PremiumAutostyling.com.
Don't we have a code for them?
Oh my God, that was fire!
Yo, okay. Yeah, he shut you up, bro. He shut you up. Now you lost that one. You lost.
15% off, patchy.
Oh!
Oh, I get it now! I was like, Patchy, what?
Wait, does it?
And the camera goes this way. I was like, oh!
Or you want to use
Dang.
Daniel's code? It's tiny15.
Don't show it!
What do you mean there's nothing to show? That thing doesn't zoom in enough. What do you mean?
But for real, what's the promo code?
It's
No!
I have no eyebrows, 37.
Oh my, why are we just roasting everybody?
No brows? 15% off, no brows.
15%
No, that's
off,
100% off. So, no brows.
Hey, John.
He has 50% brows.
Let's get this car pulled out. Come on, let's get cinematics. Just got to the famous location where we do all of our car video shoots. The famous concrete slab right by the train tracks. We're gonna shoot this thing up. You guys ready to see some cinematics? Ready?
Alright guys, so the Evo is officially done. We just got done shooting cinematics on it, so that brings this project to a close. I know we had talked about things like showing what it's like to cover up a white car with a different color. Unfortunately, we didn't really get to show that too much because this isn't a huge contrast to the white that was there. Darkens it up a little bit, but it wasn't that like white to red or any crazy conversion like that. Nonetheless, everything's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Banners are going live. Make sure to use code PREMIUM15 on the website to save 15%. Other than that, I think that's pretty much everything. Also, make sure to stay tuned for our 200,000 subscriber giveaway, and keep watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Premium model is a team, and that's a fact. Buy a new car, better take it to premium, cause when you driving in the street, you gotta be number one. You can bring a GT.